What does it take to solve an intricate or complex clinical puzzle? State-of-the-art laboratory technology, accuracy and efficiency of diagnosis, competence and expertise of staff. St. Luke's Medical Center has established one institute fully equipped with these three elements to optimally assist clinicians in solving diagnostic problems, big or small. Welcome to St. Luke's Institute of Pathology. The facility, known for having the country's most comprehensive line of laboratory services and top-of-the-line laboratory equipment.
Let me give you an overview of what the Pathology Institute does. The Institute of Pathology offers services in terms of laboratory diagnostic tests that will aid the clinicians in the diagnosis of their patients and in managing them.
Armed with state-of-the-art technology, the Institute tracks down the causes and nature of various killer diseases in the shortest time possible.
We are now in the pre-amplification room of the Molecular Pathology Unit. From the pre-amplification room, we bring you now to the main room, which houses the LightCycler 480 Series 2. This is one of the latest technology in molecular pathology. It is a real-time PCR, which means that it is used for the amplification of DNA sequences. It has many uses, foremost of which is the identification of KRAS mutation. We are in the nucleic acid testing room or NAT testing room. This is a room where we do additional testing for donated blood. St. Luke's Medical Center Global City is the only hospital in the Philippines that has this system.
Enhanced by state-of-the-art technology, the Institute is proud of its highly competent team of pathologists, medical technologists, and technicians.
The Institute of Pathology is unique. Every hospital has a laboratory department. But at the St. Luke's Medical Center, we are not simply a department. What we are is an institute. It means that instead of just giving the general laboratory diagnostic procedures, we also offer very highly specialized procedures. And the medical staff that belongs to the Institute of Pathology is made up of highly experienced and highly trained personnel that have different subspecialties. Each one of us in this Institute of Pathology has had extensive training in our subspecialty in the United States and also has had a wealth of experience in our work. Well, we don't stop with the fact that we have had training. We do continuous medical education, and for that we make sure that each one of us goes to a seminar or to a postgraduate course either in the United States or in Europe so that we can always be updated on our field of specialization.
The Institute has achieved a number of milestones in the various fields of pathology. In the field of anatomic pathology, the Institute has established the most comprehensive library of monoclonal antibodies for immunochemistry.
The Institute of Pathology of St. Luke's Medical Center prides itself in being the most complete in terms of immunohistochemistry laboratory. Surgical pathology is a very difficult field. It entails a subjective assessment of tissue specimens and fluid specimens so that we can arrive at a diagnosis. But that assessment depends largely on the personal evaluation of the pathologist on the gross and microscopic features of the lesion. However, there are cases that can be very difficult to diagnose. And for that, we need something that will help us be more objective in our assessment of the tissue lesions. For that purpose, we need to have the assistance or the aid of immunohistochemistry studies.
The Institute has also become a referral center for difficult surgical pathology cases.
In fact, even the big centers in Metro Manila send their specimens to us for immunohistochemistry. And this is because we have the most complete lineup of immunohistochemistry studies.
In the field of clinical pathology, the Institute's blood bank is one of the few private blood centers with 100% volunteer blood supply, a major factor in assuring blood safety, quality, and availability.
It can be said that the blood bank of Institute of Pathology pioneered the 100% voluntary blood donation program in the Philippines. St. Luke's Medical Center has a very busy operating room. Our surgical specialties are very busy in their fields, such that we continually must have a good supply of blood to supply the patients that are operated on. However, it is not just the quantity of blood that is important. More important than that is the quality of blood. And to ensure that we have blood that is of high quality, we must resort to sourcing our own blood, and this is through a voluntary blood donation program. We cannot get from commercial blood banks because we will not be able to screen the donors of the blood as assiduously and as carefully as we do them now with our voluntary blood donation program.
In the field of molecular pathology, the Institute boasts of an analytical chemistry laboratory and a molecular cytogenetics laboratory. It excels in DNA diagnostics, molecular immunology, and microbiology. No wonder the Institute of Pathology today is sought after for its rapid turnaround time of test results and broad test menu. Visit St. Luke's Institute of Pathology and discover how our expertise yields some of the most accurate laboratory work in the country. St. Luke's Institute of Pathology. Ultimately, it is expertise.